Did you know what you eat plays a vital role in keeping your heart healthy? A balanced diet can reduce your risk of heart disease, lower cholesterol, and regulate blood pressure. The good news? You don't need complicated meals to show your heart some love. Here's a quick 5-minute recipe packed with heart boosting nutrients. All you need is a bowl of Greek yogurt, honey, chia seeds, and some chopped banana. Greek yogurt is heart healthy as it's rich in protein, potassium, calcium, and probiotics, which help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and fight inflammation. Bananas are loaded with potassium, which helps lower blood pressure and support your heart. A touch of honey adds natural sweetness and antioxidants that protect your heart from oxidative stress. Chia seeds are a great source of heart friendly omega 3s and fiber, reducing cholesterol and inflammation. In just 5 minutes, you have a heart healthy snack which not only keeps your heart happy but also your taste buds. As we focus on heart health this week, stay tuned for more insights.